guys, welcome back to our Less is Now Minimalism Challenge I'm doing. We're on day 14, or January 14. So 14 items need to go. And I found 14 used batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And batteries that are used, you don't throw them in the garbage and you don't throw them in the recycling. It's actually very hazardous and they could explode. Now, my local store called Bureau en Gros, which is also Staples in English, they will take back old used batteries and recycle them properly. So that's day 14. Now day 15 we'll do in the same video, because that would be really short, is 2 squishy toys. And it's those type that get really sticky and squishy, and if you drop them on the floor they get all the hair and the fur in them, and the only way to clean them is to like rub them under water. So those are going. We have 5 more batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 used batteries. We have a Mario ruler. It's made out of paper. It's the ones you get in those party supplies. So that's going. And then we have an assorted amount of pens and markers that no longer work. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 items for January 15. Now, like I said before, Bureau en Gros or Staples will take in used batteries, and they will take all your used markers and pens or pencils, and they will recycle them properly. So that's January 15th, and let's continue on. It's January 16th, where we get rid of 16 things in our house. And the first thing we're going to start with is this giant piece of carpet. It was a really big carpet that we bought, but it was too big to fit our area, so we cut it off. The next thing we're getting rid of is a homemade mask I made. I have too many masks right now, so I'm going to get rid of some. This is another mask I made using elastics, but the elastic is not long enough for an adult. It would be good for a kid, but not for an adult. We also found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Pokemon rulers. These are just the cheapy plastic laminated paper ones you get in party favors. So these are gonna go, because how many do we need, right? Cute though, really. So there's 7 of those. So that's, 7, 8, 9, that's 10 already. Next thing we have is really heavy. This is a slab of marble. It's a really big slab, and it broke in half. So I have both pieces. Oh crap, it's heavy. Both pieces of the slab, but I'm counting it as one piece because it broke in half. So that's going. I also cleaned out my purse and my wallet, and I found 3 half and half raffle tickets. These are just paper, so I'm going to tear them up and put them in my compost. It's good to compost those. Another thing I have is like an Indigo Chapters card. I haven't been to this store in over 2 years at least, but it's been in my wallet forever. So that's going to go. And the other thing I have is this is a MasterCard that expired, and then they send you a new card. So I don't need this card anymore. The numbers change, everything's changed about it. So I'm going to, this needs to be cut up into many little pieces and thrown in the garbage. I don't know of any credit card recycling at the moment. I'll have to check it out. So there is 16 items for January 16th for the Less is More challenge. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow to keep going.